For cooking besan khaman dhokla, we have taken 1.5 cup of gram flour. Now we are adding around 1.5 teaspoon of salt in it, about 3/4 teaspoon of citric acid, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of sugar, water, and mix it to make a smooth paste. Add more water if required. Add the water slowly, don't add too much of water. Make sure that all the lumps are removed. So our batter is smooth now, you can see. So this should be the consistency of the batter. So we are going to cook khaman dhokla in microwave oven. So for cooking in microwave oven, we have taken a bowl like this. Now we have to grease it with the oil. Make sure you grease it well. So I have taken generous amount of oil and grease it. Now add about 2 tablespoons of oil in it. Mix it well. So make sure that you follow these 2 steps first, and this is the last step, and here we will be adding the baking soda. So before adding the baking soda, our batter should be ready, and our pan should be greased, because immediately after adding the baking soda, we have to pour the contents of this batter into the khaman bowl, so that we can cook the khaman dhokla in microwave. So I am adding the baking soda, about 1 teaspoon baking soda I have added. Now mix it thoroughly. You have to mix it very fast so that it starts fermenting, and you can immediately see the results of its fermenting. It's fermented. Now we have to transfer it in our greased bowl. So now we'll be transferring the contents of this in the bowl. Now cover it with a plastic wrap. Make sure that when you're covering it with the plastic wrap, you leave some room in between so that the steam can pass and there is a room for the khaman dhokla to puff up. So just leave some room in between. Keep it loose. Don't keep it tight. And now it is ready to go in the microwave for 6 minutes. So after 6 minutes, we will take out the khaman dhokla from the oven. Now you can see how beautiful our khaman dhokla have turned out in the microwave. We need to check it with a knife. So I will just try to pierce the knife in the middle. So my knife came out clean, right? So that means our dhoklas are done. So just cover it with the plastic wrap. Keep it aside until it cools down. So we need, after it cools down, we can take it out and prepare the tempering for it. To prepare the tempering for khaman dhokla, we have to take around 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil. Now add a pinch of asafoetida. Keep the flame on medium. Now add 2 teaspoons of mustard seeds. Mustard seeds starts spluttering. Reduce the flame to low. Now add green chilies. We have snipped the green chilies and curry leaves. Stir it well. Keep the flame on medium. Once green chilies and curry leaves are roasted, we need to add water. So add around 2 cups of water. Now we have to keep the flame on medium. After adding the water, add salt as per your taste. Half teaspoon of citric acid. Put the flame on high. Stir it well so that water starts boiling. Add about a tablespoon of sugar. Stir it well and bring the water to a boil. Our khaman dhokla cools down, it will leave all the sides. So you can use the knife to take out all the sides. Now once it cools down, turn it over like this. So once it cools down, it will automatically leave the bottom and it will come out. Now our khaman dokla is ready. Now you can cut it. Now we can top it with the tempering we have prepared. Why we add the water in the tempering is because it will help adding the flavors of mustard seeds and curry leaves. So adding the water also softens and it tastes really delicious. Now garnish with cilantro leaves or coriander leaves. Now top it with some coconut powder or grated coconut if you like. Now to show you how fluffy our dhoklas have turned out, we can check with one piece and you can see how soft and fluffy it looks, and it really tastes delicious as you get from the market. You can enjoy this khaman dokla with either coconut chutney or green chutney or tomato sauce, and it really tastes delicious. So our yummy and delicious khaman dokla is ready.